Are headlines about the housing market leaving you with more questions than you have answers? I can help with that right now. People are asking me to talk about what's going on, and if I'm honest with you, I love that. I know there's confusion out there, and if there's one thing I'm known for, it would be my constant study of the local real estate market. Here's just a few of the top questions that I'm answering right now. First, what's next for mortgage rates? The short answer is no one knows for sure, but right now they're high and it's impacting the affordability. But experts do think rates will come down some over the next year. Next, where are home prices headed? Well, first of all, prices are not falling. They're just climbing at a pace that's more typical for this time of year, and experts say they'll continue to rise. Lastly, is a recession around the corner? I know there's been lots of talk about a recession in the recent years, but here's the thing. The chances of a recession are actually declining because unemployment is at an all-time low and there isn't a flood of foreclosures coming. So if you want to know more, or if you're burning with questions to ask me, let's chat.